Hey, it's Justin Kanoya, DJ, business coach, and idea sharer, and in this video, I've got a quick virtual DJ tip, and it's the keyboard shortcut that I use the most, Browser Zoom. Browser Zoom is the function that takes the browser from half a screen to nearly the full screen, and it's easily accessible by clicking the button in the lower left corner right here. And one of the criticisms when VDJ 2021 came out was how much space the decks and the waveforms took up. I mean, it really is a 50-50 split between the browser, which is all the stuff in the lower half, the folders, the track, etc. And sometimes I just need to see a taller view of my folder and track listing. I think we all do, right? And while clicking on this button is just fine and dandy, it's a good idea to map this button to a keyboard shortcut. Because when I need to see my browser full screen, I'm usually searching for a track and my hands are already on the keyboard. This helps with efficiency, especially when I need to find a track quickly. Now, I'm not even sure if there's a default keyboard shortcut for this, but I went ahead and mapped it to Control-Z, because that combination of keys is where my left hand already is. When I want to go back to the 50-50 screen, I just hit Control-Z again, and I'm right back to where I started. While Browser Zoom is really effective during a gig, it's also great when I'm doing track preparation. Sometimes I just want to see a full view of all the tracks in a folder, or maybe I'm working with a side list or auto mix and I just want to extend it full screen. And speaking of track preparation, when I'm doing a lot of work with individual tracks, I sometimes will change my skin to the Pioneer DDJ-X preparation skin. This skin is without the typical 2-deck layout and has just one deck, so it presents a layout that's more conducive to making prep work easier. You can install it by going into Settings, Extensions, and just type in DDJ-X in the search bar and then click on Install. Well, that's it. Just a quick video on a keyboard shortcut that I find really useful and a skin that I find really useful as well. What's your favorite virtual DJ keyboard shortcut? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more virtual DJ tips just like this. Thank you for watching. I'm DJ Justin Kanoya, and I'll see you next time online.